We're going to do some scones today. I've got 250 grams flour, 100 grams butter, 3 eggs, 250 milk, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We add the butter in, the baking powder, and the salt, and we mix this together by rubbing in. Rub this together till it becomes more like breadcrumbs. Now that's ready. We add the wet ingredients to it. We add the eggs and the milk and mix up. Just get that into a nice thick dough, like that. Flour your surface. And roll it out. At this point, you preheat your oven. I've preheated mine to 200 degrees. Get a baking tray, oil the tray and flour it at the bottom. Don't roll the dough too much, leave it a little bit thick. I've left mine about 2 centimeters thick. Now you need to cut your scones. You can use a cutter and shape them into how you want. Use a pastry cutter to cut your scones. If you don't have a pastry cutter, just use whatever you can, a glass or a lid. Transfer these onto your tray. Roll in the tray, glaze them with egg. Once all glazed, place in your oven. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Scones are ready. We leave them out to cool. Ready to eat.